Oh. No.
Do you know how to pause on a selfie stick?
Do you have a remote?
Well, it has a button on the handle.
Yeah.
It just has a single button.
Yeah, the on and off?
Well, I've done it for photos.
Yeah.
It's just the, you know, like hitting the exposure button. I don't know, I've never even tried it on a video.
Yeah, try it on the video. See if it has a stop or a pause, depending on if you hold it for a second or 3 seconds.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, try. Because sometimes like a quick click might be a pause.
Oh, okay.
Or sometimes a 3 second hold might be a pause.
Finally got to editing that show at DNS.
Oh, nice.
Cut it into the 11 individual tracks and made it black and white.
Oh, nice.
You like black and white, huh?
Well, because the backlighting was shit.
Oh, okay.
So it was too bright and made all the colors look, it would just look awful. So black and white actually hides a lot of sins, and so it looks a lot better in black and white. And they updated the software, which made me really happy. You can just, while you're in the track, you don't have to worry about beginning and end. You can just, it gives you, as soon as you click on the track, it gives you a marker, and you can move it for where you want to begin, and then you hit your end spot, you click it again, and it just does it.
Oh.
You don't have to dick around.
Yeah.
Which is always the pain in the ass about this stuff. It's actually an update that did something useful.
And what's this app or this program?
NCH.
NCH?
Yeah, it's a paid app.
Oh yeah.
But I think it's like $21 every 3 months, something like that.
Oh.
Wow. I can't do it.
I did a lot when I was doing shows during other shows during the week where I was sitting and talking about a thing by myself after watching it. So I put clips in with the review and stuff. I don't do that anymore, and I don't use it very often. When I have band stuff, it's super helpful.
Yeah, I've tried to use it a couple of times for free. I think you get like, what is it, free to try for like a week or something, but you have to give them a credit card.
Oh, so they can automatically renew it for you?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a really user-friendly software.
Right.
You don't have to, you're not trying to solve the mystery of putting the app in your music. It's got nice filters. Audio is easy to manipulate.
Oh, okay.
It's good. Is it worth the $21 every 3 months? I'm not entirely sure because I just don't use it that often. But what I do need to use it is there.
And you do that to all your music videos or what?
Yeah, because no one wants to watch the whole concert.
Yeah.
I mean, unless you're there or you're in the band, no one gives a shit. So just cut it down to the individual songs.
Yeah.
Snip them out. And I was actually able to do a little bit of repair because there was a couple of tracks where we were having sound issues at beginning or end, and I was able to cut it in such a way that it worked.
Yeah.
So just you know, you don't have the weird sound wobbly stuff. It's just gone. So that was nice.
Now the music you play is it's a tribute band, right?
No, it's all original.
Original?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I guess you ain't got to worry about the copyright.
No, it's all mine.
Yeah. Now, how do you prevent someone from?
At this point, I don't give a shit.
Oh, really? You just need the
Does it
exposure.
really matter? No.
Yeah. So are you the one that writes?
So the
Or-
guitarist and I have a good collaborative effort.
Mm-hmm.
I do all the lyrics and some of the music, and he does a lot of the music as far as setting up the initial structure of the song, and then I'll do arrangement stuff around that with the lyrics.
So when you're writing the lyrics, do you tend to try to find a hook to go?
That's interesting.
With a song?
Sometimes I have something in mind.
Yeah.
Or I'm writing the song with a whole different vision of it as I'm writing it. I have the same product, and then he comes forward with a different guitar structure, and I'm like, oh, that sounds better.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you get in your own way when you're writing.
Yeah.
And like I've had songs that I was sitting on for a long time because I just didn't like the way it sounded, but I liked the lyrics.
Mm-hmm.
And then he comes along with something, I'm like, oh, I actually have some words that I think will work with this, and then boom, song.
Yeah. I always feel like if you want a song to be a hit, you got to have the right hook. You know, where people can like sing along.
Catchiness is a thing, but interesting is also a thing.
Yeah.
Who's an artist I'm listening to right now? Alan Isaac. He's got a Russian name. He's from South Africa, and he writes American country music.
Oh shit! Really?
Yeah. He has a very interesting sound. There is not a hook to be found.
Yeah.
It's really, I very much love his music. Got a little bit of maybe some soft bluegrass in there because there's some banjo stuff going on.
Yeah.
It's just very interesting music.
Yeah.
Ben Nichols is another artist that I would say no real hooks, but the songwriting is very, very good.
Yeah.
So it's just how things go, and depending on what your audience goals are as well.
Yeah.
So like with what we're doing, we have kind of a mixed bag of that.
Oh, okay.
We'll have the hook song, or we'll have the interesting song. Like, no treasure in this life. It's an interesting piece about whalers.
Whalers?
The verse music is very soft and atmospheric, as is the bridge. The chorus is heavy, but songs like Praying Mantis is largely a hook song.
Yeah.
And that's about a dream that Lorenzo, the guitarist, had about a praying mantis that was going to eat him at a donut shop. I don't know what it means.
Dude. Was he on shrooms?
He threw that idea at me, and so I wrote the piece around that.
Yeah.
But he wrote the guitar part. The guitar part's very metal, hook sound. So.
Did you ask him what he was on when he had that dream?
He's a normal person.
Oh, okay. It's like, yeah, man, I was taking the shroom, and next thing I know,
Yeah, exactly.
I'm being chased. Like, what the? Like, let me try it. Let me see if I get chased.